Sunday. Happy Sunday. And again, I'm starting the stream with the camera backwards, but that's okay. Oh man, let's see here. Flip the phone again. It's funny. You think a Google phone would be a good phone for live streaming, but it's not. Not this version anyway. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday, fun day. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm getting a late start this morning. Had to go meet a gentleman from a new job, and yeah, you guys will be able to. Hey, man, what's up, buddy? Are you Max?
Hey, buddy.
Is that you on the chat, or is this a different Max?
It must be a different
That's awesome. Right on, man. Good to see you, brother. How's life? Life is good, man. It's everything's going well. We're busy making money, so that's the important thing. Families are all healthy. The kids are good. How about yourself? You good? That's funny. Max here is is Max too, right? Hey, Dibs, what's happening? Will Cash, man, good to see you guys. No, not done yet. Not done yet. So I needed to, Max from Ireland. Excellent. Oh, Ireland. Hey, beautiful. My grandfather was from Ireland, actually. That's cool, man. So yeah, shout out Ireland. That's awesome. Hey, Christina. Welcome, welcome. Excellent. Good to see you. Good to see you. Man, oh man, it's so nice to see everybody. Okay, so I kind of wanted to show you guys that we had to wait 2 days for answers for like updated drawings, so we knew where to put everything. So, and because of the contract, we met with the architect and the engineer the other day, and we found out, like, I did the layout for them, and the plumbing is off, so they do need to move the plumbing. Actually, this plumbing is off here. You can see it's got to come back into here. And then this plumbing too has got to go back a little bit. And there's a reason why we can't move the walls. It's because of the kitchen equipment. It's very specific. So the actual kitchen equipment supplier gave us the drawings where they need the walls, and that's it. That's where they got to go. Otherwise, everything's not going to fit. But yeah, so we started framing again yesterday after doing some more demolition and whatnot. We had to take, if you guys remember, there was a wood wall that was like kind of on the outside. You can see where it used to be there. We took that down and then framed this for the cold storage in there. So that was part of the demo. You can kind of see the wood wall there, we cut up. And then, yeah, so I'm trying to, I got all the layout done. I'm going to just run the track over the trenches and do the best I can for now and get up as many walls as I can. It's a super pain in the ass, and the ceiling, like the wall height is 12 feet. So the ceiling height's gonna be up there, and the drywall ceilings is at 10 feet. So yeah, it's like weird because like I showed you guys before, these guys hey Mike Stoner, what's up, man? Yeah, it's a quick fix, and they didn't pour the concrete. The new contractor said, don't pour the concrete. We got to make sure the plumbing's all in the right spot. So yeah, we did them a favor, met the architect and the engineer, and I got the drawings from the kitchen supplier, and I showed them where the walls are going, and yeah, we determined that the plumbing has to be moved. This plumbing, it worked out. This one worked out, which is good. Hey, Eddie, my man, how's it going, brother? Good to see you, dude. And all this was inspected. It did pass. I don't know if it has to be inspected again after if they move, because they got to move some things, but yeah, it is what it is. So this is really tough to reach by my benches, and I don't have a baker because now that Lamb's not with me anymore. He's the one who had the baker, so I don't know. I don't want to buy a baker. Like, what am I going to do with it? And where am I going to store it? What? But I got these 6-footers, and I got to stand literally at the top of them to reach this. It's crazy. So I'm going to get some done where I can reach off the lift and get the lift in, but I might have to leave some out. I'm not too sure, but Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. We finally have the answers we needed to proceed and finish. So we're good to go. We're good to go. I got a little wall here and a wall. I'm gonna bring this inch straight out. So it showed the 6 inch terminating at this 3 and 5, but you can see this is the original layout. So I'm going to just make an executive decision and bring the 6 inch all the way to here and then continue down here with 3 inch, you know what I mean? Hey, Anton, what's happening, my man? Mandeep, good stuff, guys. Good to see everyone. And thanks, Eddie. Appreciate it, man. And so, yeah, you can see the 6 inch wall here. Boom, boom, boom. Literally, I'm just going to bring it straight across and then go 3 and 5 down there. It's all 5/8 type X in here. So, there's nothing we can do. There's a big opening here for the pass through. So this right here will be the line, okay, the kitchen. And then there'll be a big pass through window here to the weight station. I got the shop drawings for that, so I can put that in. And now there's no more doors. They've taken the doors out. And what they're doing is they're having privacy by staggering these little walls. They got this build out right here. So, and then there's one here that's staggered, right? It's gonna be staggered and it builds up here. And then this wall, which was existing, is gonna come out to there. And then, yeah, there's no door here anymore. It just stops, right? And they don't want a door down the hallway either. So, yeah, there's no more doorway there apparently. So it's good. It's good. That's good because I can now build the whole pass-through window, and they can get their equipment in through the walkways, which is really nice. Okay, what was that? I just saw a chat about something. Yeah, it does make sense. It does. Absolutely. That mic? Oh, that mic dropped in price, did it? Oh, that's okay. But of course it did, right? That's too funny, man. And then, yeah, they got, like I was saying here again, with the little stubby wall here. This is like the wait staff area, okay? So I'll come over here. There's another little one. But then this black line where it picks up here and goes out over, it's going to meet down here in another bulkhead up here to this 3 and 5. So that's a bulkhead, okay? And then on the inside of it, drywall ceiling, all right, into that 6 inch drywall ceiling, and then T-bar. So, yeah, man, it's kind of funky. Like I was saying, I had to demo this bulkhead just so I can get my stuff in, okay? Because they didn't demo this big bulkhead. They left it in, and they also, yeah, it was great. You guys have seen the progress. They had the ceiling was way out to here, and it actually has to go back here. I cut that all back clean, and so you can see now, this is where I got to build this out to. I got to build the wall up out to about here, which is great, you know? And then this whole bulkhead will be hidden up in the ceiling after everything else is put in. So, yeah, just plugging away, you know? If you guys haven't seen, I got this whole bulkhead complete. And so there's a vestibule, an aluminum vestibule going in at the front. What I'm going to do is I might ask them what ceiling height they're going to go at, whether they go at 10 feet or at the 11 feet here. I might have to come down a foot and over and up and have a drywall ceiling. It would be nice to do that ahead of time before the aluminum goes in. So I'm going to try to coordinate that. So that is how it happens. I'll just say, yeah, I'll drop this and I can drywall it, and then they can put the a code. Yeah, accessibility, maybe, yeah. Yeah, do you see this camera here? This is the Canon EOS R5. That's Max's camera. Right on. And is this the Tamron? That's a Tamron 35 millimeter on it right now. And of course, then there's my rig, the Black Magic rig. So there's video and photo the whole time, right? We're taking as much video and photo as we can. And it's really awesome. Say hey, Max. That's Max, everyone.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing?
So yeah, this is his unit. Beautiful camera. It's a Canon EOS R5. But yeah, we're having lots of fun, getting lots of content shot. And then the next job we're gonna have some more. I also talked to the builder on the next job, and it's everything's a-okay. It's gonna be great. Anton, yeah, man, you bet I will. Anton says hi from Russia.
Awesome.
Yeah, bro, that's awesome, dude. It's cool, man. So I don't want to be on too long. Make sure you guys watch Christina Smallhorn's live stream this afternoon. I'm sure she'll be live. And oops, sorry. And oh yeah, I know it is. I know, right? It's pretty crazy, eh? So that tripod is the Manfrotto. Yeah, I can't remember the legs of the Manfrotto something, but the head. This is the ball head, the 504 HD. They discontinued this ball head, and I'm so thankful I bought it before they did, because this was a flagship. I'm surprised they discontinued it, but they have a different version of it now. And yeah, I don't know. I like this one better, but this is a neat one too. This Benro tripod, you can flip the camera upside down, and of course with the ball head like that, you can go vertical, you know. But yeah, I recently found out a guy was saying, you know what, you should, even your horizontal videos or your vertical videos, you should always shoot them horizontal, but shoot in 4K and then crop into 180. So yeah, and I could only imagine the amount of data once the 8K function of that. You know, this it does 8K. This Canon does 8K. It's crazy, right? So yeah, boys and girls. So yeah, we have a lot of exciting content coming, and yeah, they are definitely more expensive than my tools combined too. Like yeah. I think that camera goes for like 6,000 to 7,000, just the body, right? Yeah. Right, it's like 6,000 just for the body, and then my rig is a cheaper body, but the lens and the speed booster is a couple grand. The body was a couple grand, so about 4 grand just to get the body and the lens, and then about 10 grand in freaking rigging. Power and monitors and stuff, but yeah. But it's cool because all that gear we've been able to use on all different cameras and stuff, and yeah, it's great. Rigging, you can never go wrong with rigging gear that's like generic, you know, not specific for that one camera. So you always have to buy rigging gear specific to that camera, but you know, there's other, you know, they don't know, blah, blah, blah. You get what I'm saying, I think. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. You can ask me right now live in the chat, or you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, let me know. We got to demo this back. Hey, what's up? The Luwan Smeagol, or whatever, yeah? The Luwan Smeagol, is that it? Hey, what's up, dude? Okay, Mandeep, I saw you had a question there. Let me okay. Just wondering how to price the jobs with too many changes and how it goes in emails. Just wondering how to price the jobs with too many changes. Okay, so that's the thing, okay? A good point, well, before I actually answer that question for you, Mandeep, is so the demo work that I'm doing here and here and whatnot, I'm doing it like I might not get paid for it, right? I'm proceeding with that work, realizing and knowing that I might be taking a hit for it, because if I didn't do it, it would stop our work, and the new contractor isn't starting till tomorrow, which was like, you know, we haven't had a contractor on site for over a week, right? But you need to price. This is how you price changes. When you submit a bid, okay, and you know there's going to be changes or extras, you submit your unit rate sheet, okay? So you'll have a unit rate for, like for me, for example, I will submit my unit rates for steel stud, drywall. I'll break it down, okay? My hourly rate, okay? So if they want to hire me by the hour, I give them that, okay? And then what I do is as the changes come during the job, I will say, okay, it's going to be 4 hours labor, or you can pay me this or this piecework, or, you know, like they'll have those prices ahead of time So when they want the changes done, you're not trying to, you're not pulling a fast one on them. They're not, or they know you're not just gouging them because you're the contractor on site. Okay, so submitting those unit rates when you're submitting your bids, okay, that's just kind of standard. Almost every tender package will have that unit rate sheet in it for your submission anyways. But if they don't, it's just simple. I just do it in an email, right? Like I'll list my prices and my costs and I'll say, okay, labor this, materials this, and then if you want me to do any extras, here's all my unit rates. Simple as that, right? As far as how much, that depends. That kind of depends on where like your regional. You got to know your local rates almost. Like I can guide you on building stuff, but for designing and stuff, I couldn't help. Well, it's better to not get paid for a small job and get the large job finished of the time that you are paid for, but don't run at a loss. Yeah, exactly. So I kind of like, for example, I stopped as far as taking out the screws, right? The guys who did the demo left all the screws in the ceiling, okay? And I didn't need to take those screws out to get my wall on. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not taking them out. Yeah, man, Deep, you bet. Yes, 100%. I'm glad you got that help, found that helpful. I can't demo this because of the electrical, right? So I'm gonna have to wait. The contractor's gonna have to come in and demo this and deal with the electrical, and then I will build my wall out to where it's marked. And yeah, this wall here. I mean, there's also another stub wall that comes out here, a foot and a half this way. I might just build like some blocks or something to hold underneath to hold it up for now. But what a pain in the butt, dudes. Like, I can't get the lift over here, right? I can't. So there, I'm not even sure a real electrician has ever been in here, to tell you the truth. Like, I have a funny feeling that the demo was completely done by the last general contractor. Because like it's not safe. Like all of this is not, like, none of it's taped. Like it's all, like, they have morettes, right? But none of it's taped, and they have exposed wires, like right there, right? Exposed wires there. I taped up all those. This is from my demo. Okay, I pulled back the wires out of the wall. I demoed, I moretted and taped the ends. You see, right? Moret and tape. And then I taped up the spool, okay, so that it's safe. So my suspicion is there's never been an electrician in here, and yeah, like it's crazy. It's crazy. I didn't want the lights turned on when I was up here working on the bulkhead because I didn't want it to get lit up, right? There's literally exposed wires. It's crazy, right? So yeah, we got to be really careful, guys, and watch out for that electrical, because you assume that they're people, like, look, there's an exposed wire. Not saying that the circuit's live or anything, but look, it exposed. You know, I just don't, like, I just never seen it like this before. This right here, you got black and whites, 2 sets exposed. Yeah, always, Anton, right on. Yeah, always need to wait on somebody. Yeah, the last contractor got fired. Yeah, and then peeking, like, the closer I look, the more reasons I find why they did, right? So, but yeah, it's crazy. It's really crazy. Treat all wires as live. 100%. Yes, exactly. Unless you go to the panel and lock it out, right? Lock out, tag out. Then yeah, you got to assume everything is live. Okay. It's just drywallers and framers. We got to be really careful of that. I've been electrocuted. It's not fun. Pump, yeah, right? Yes, it is. It's always the electricians. Right on, man. Cheers, bro. That's too funny, man. But yeah, this place was a dump, like a mess before. And so yeah, she's cleaning it right up. It's gonna be nice when we're done. This is smart. You can tell this owner was she said, she's like, she said that contractor didn't think I'd fire him at this stage in the game, but he was wrong. And I'm telling you, she dodged a bullet firing them when she did. I can tell. But yeah, so anyways, I guess I better get back to work and get some walls up, right? So like I said before, jump over to Christine Smallhorn's channel, watch her live stream this afternoon, and I will see you guys very soon on the next one. Be well, have a fun rest of your Sunday. I wish I was kicking back, drinking a beer with you, but gotta get it done, boys. We're starting the next job on Wednesday, so materials should arrive Wednesday. Okay, bye guys.